Don't open it. Wait, bring it closer, Jake.
Wait.
Nice job. All right.
I got hungry teeth.
You got hungry teeth?
Yeah.
That's what from Uncle Carlos to me.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
They have this.
Oh, that's nice that it's wrapped.
No, it's for mommy.
Mommy's got to open something.
Here, get from this way.
I like the scarf.
Pull this way.
Yeah.
Pull it down. It's a silver watch. Mom doesn't even wear watches.
Yes, I do all the time.
I don't see.
It's pretty.
Okay,
I like it.
Hurry! Yeah,
I
Tony's opening her
wear watches all the time.
Oh.
They're beautiful.
This one's a very light one, so it's for me. Andrew.
Yeah, you can have that. Oh, you gotta hold that up so I can get a picture. Come closer.
Wow.
Come closer.
Mom, you know you can zoom in.
It doesn't look good when you zoom in on this.
Yeah, I know. It's all blurry.
Wait, Tony, do it again because it got weird. Wait, look down a little bit.
I'm
I'm
gonna be
getting
working
red eye.
on my Legos
Yeah.
all day. Like, literally.
There's a book. Tony, there's a book that goes with it. Did you see it?
Oh my god. My god. Yeah.
Whose turn? Joshy's.
No, it's my turn.
Okay.
This one from Aunt Bonnie.
Oh.
Oh, stuff I like this. Lego Kingdom.
Awesome. Bring it closer so I can take a picture.
Kingdoms.
You always get a lot of Legos, don't you? That is awesome. Wait.
Okay. There you go. There's a return seat.
You don't need return. That's awesome, Jake.
Go downstairs. Too much Lego
Okay.
today.
Is that bad? Who's that from?
Really? It looks like
Who's that from?
for me.
Who's it from?
Grandparents.
Oh, this is from Grandma and Grandpa.
Not for me.
What did Grandma and Grandma get you?
What is it? This. What is it?
You got a lot of trucks. Wait, you gotta hold it up, Papa, so I can show Grandma and Grandpa.
Hey,
Here, hold it up and smile for me.
hey, please.
No, I need to show Grandma and Grandpa.
Here, baby, let me get it off.
Hold it up.
Okay.
Yay!
Now Art's
Let me take a
turn.
picture of it.
Hey. Art's turn. Still for me.
You can help me?
Yeah.
Help me?
Joshy, look, Josh. Josh. I was giving you a minute.
No, you get.
You can help me.
Oh,
You should ask for one.
wait, Josh is opening 2 in a row.
No, that's Art.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Josh is
Good hat.
Oh, awesome!
Perfect,
Good
thank you.
job. Never had 3 hats.
That's right.
Hats are perfect. Thanks, Andrea.
Thank you, Andrea.
And I mean always. He's even wearing a hat right now.
All right, who's that from, Jacob? Oh, it's Tony's turn.
My turn is this one. Hey, that's mine. Okay. From Target and from Uncle Carlos, Aunt Carmen. Circle. I
You
know.
go inside.
Yeah, you need to push that. Make circle.
You make a circle, that's right.
Oh, I make
Not yet. Look.
this duffel
Ooh,
bag.
I like
I
that.
make circle. I'll make circle. This one from Lady blah blah blah. Same thing.
Look down a little bit. I'm getting the major red eye. Here. Good job. That's pretty. Oh, it's insulated. It's a lunchbox.
Hey, blah blah blah. This one's from Lady.
That's cool.
Tony's.
It's like a purse lunchbox.
All right.
Nice.
No, don't step on that.
Think you guys safe against me?
Oh, from Lady. Come over here. Let me come closer.
Oh, that's mine.
your turn.
John, go open a present. Go open a present.
Joshy, go open a present. Oh, that one's pretty. Open the one from Andrea.
Right here. That one's Joshua's.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I like the little stickers. That's cute.
Wait,
Uh-oh. What is it?
where is this?
I think it's dinosaurs.
Awesome. Oh, I love that. Hold it up, Josh.
Sorry.
Let's see it every. Oh my gosh, that's nice. Let's see. Oh, it's
What did you
dinosaurs. You got dinosaurs.
Oh.
Thanks, Andrea. Say thank you to Andrea. Say thank you.
Okay.
Good job.
S'more. Yes,
Tony's turn. Tony's turn.
Toys.
Jacob, Tony, who do you want? Who wants to go?
Me. This. Whoa, this is heavy.
I wonder what that is.
Open this. It's gold from Santa.
Careful, Josh.
It's really heavy.
Careful, Jacob. Don't want to drop it.
It's a big ball.
Wow. Did you ask for
It's
that?
like yours. Yeah, I did.
That's all yours? I think it's bigger.
Yeah.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
See how good it's a ball. See, I asked for it on my list. My turn. It's a big ball.
Yeah. No, no, you're going to break it, honey.
Oh my gosh, this one's pretty heavy too. Tony. For Tony's.
Jacob, there's no more over here, Jacob.
Please.
Jacob. Jacob. From Jay. So, open it. Probably just his clothes.
Good. Clothes are good.
Good.
Good. He needs clothes.
Make closer.
Let's see. Hold it up.
Here.
Let me see. Oh, I love it. Hold it
Here.
up. Come on. Say thank you. Hold it up nice. A nice color. Oh, I love the color. Isn't it nice, Art?
Let's color.
Say thank you. Okay.
This is pretty heavy too.
Thanks, Andrea. That's a really nice color.
This is pretty heavy too. This is for me. It's a ton of crayons.
I think you asked for that too, right?
Yeah, I did. I almost did a box of crayons, but this is a ton of crayons. That is a box of crayons. No, it's
It won't work like that, baby.
Well, it's in a box.
Honey, it won't work like that, sweetheart. Here, put this one here.
Look, Mommy.
Let me take a picture. There you go, Papas.
There's so much
Here
crayons.
for Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. On top.
Wow. Perfect.
Open it.
Move.
Move. Move.
Jacob, your turn.
Move.
Are you sure?
Move. Move. Move.
Here, Tony, go put this away, son.
Amazing.
And this is 200.
Watch my Bonnie.
Andrea, wait. Here. Stop it.
Wow.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. Nice and warm. Also do the pictures. That's good.
Thank you.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa. Tony, open one more.
No, she has 2 more.
All right, open them up both then.
Well, Joshua has one too.
Okay. Joshy, open your gift too.
No, I open. I opened this.
Sketchbook.
I opened.
Oh.
There's another one for Joshua.
2 sketches. Drawing.
Okay.
And tracing pad.
Perfect with the crayons, right?
Okay.
Kayla, open your last one.
Okay.
Okay.
Open that. Let's see what you got.
From Grandma and Grandpa. That's from Lady.
Please.
What do you get her? No, what did she get?
You go see.
It's a matching game.
Curious George.